Hi, hello. Today in this class we can learn about some geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes. First of all, three-sided polygon. If any triangle having any figure having three sides, like this. This is the three sides. This is one. This is second. This is the third side. This type of figures or shapes are called triangles. Triangle is a three-sided polygon. Triangle is a three-sided polygon. Which figure having three sides? Which figure having three sides is called a triangle. That means triangle is a three-sided. Triangle is a three-sided polygon. In this triangle, we have different types of triangles. First one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. That is some triangle having three sides. In this triangle, in any triangle, if all the three sides are equal, that is called an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. In which triangle all the three sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Next one is isosceles triangle. Which triangle having any two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. That means in any isosceles triangle we have any two sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. Next one is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, no two sides are equal. No two sides are. And any two sides not equal. A two sides they are not equal. The type of triangles are called scalene triangle. That means in scalene triangle, no two sides are equal. A two sides equal ga undavu. Next one is right angled triangle. Right angled, and any one angle is 90 degrees. Any one angle is 90 degrees. That is called the right angled triangle. Next, look at the shapes. First one is, look at the first figure, ABC triangle. In ABC, AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA, AB is equal, BC is equal CA. That means this triangle is called an equilateral. It's called an equilateral triangle. In this triangle ABC, all the three sides are equal to each other. So this triangle is called an equilateral triangle. Look at the next figure. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal AC. The two sides are equal. In this triangle, these two sides AB and AC are equal. So this triangle is called an isosceles triangle. This triangle is called an isosceles triangle. Look at the next triangle. Third one. In this third triangle, no two sides are equal. The A two sides will equal the length. AB is not equal to BC. BC is not equal to AC. So no two sides are equal. A two sides will equal the length. So this triangle is called a scalene triangle. Look at the fourth one. In this figure, in triangle ABC, here angle B is 90 degrees. 90 degrees means measure of 90 degrees is called right angle. 90 degrees is called right angle. The measure of right angle is 90 degrees. So this triangle is called a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Look at the first figure. In the first figure, all the three sides are equal. AB is equal, BC is equal, CA. So this triangle is called an equilateral triangle. In the second figure, only two sides AB and AC are equal. Only two sides are equal. This type of triangles are called isosceles triangles. Next third one. In the third figure, no two sides are equal. A two sides would equal. Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. So this is called isosceles triangle. In the third figure, no two sides are equal. A two sides would equal the length. This is called scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. In the fourth figure, only one angle is 90 degrees. Only one angle is 90 degrees. So this is called the right angle triangle. This is called the right angle triangle. These are the different types of the triangles. Okay. So you can learn about definitions and figures also. These are the very important in geometry. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, right angle triangle. Equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, only any two sides are equal. Scalene triangle, no two sides are equal. In the right angle triangle, any one angle is 90 degrees. Okay. Thank you.